Hello my crafty friends, and welcome to the third video in my series for the November 2021 Sheetload of cards, where I show you what you can get done in 10 minutes. Okay, something really weird happened last time. I totally skipped a step, and we're going to go back and do that today. I'm going to do my sentiment strip for the front. And I'm going to be putting on this cute little punched tree. Now my sentiment strip is a little bit wider than the one she shows here, because I wanted it to accommodate the punched piece. And she said you can make these your own, totally. Whatever works. Okay, let me set the clock. I am using my now fully charged phone. Put it to 10 minutes. And start. Okay. I'm using another stamp from Queen & Company called Sending Holiday Cheer. I believe it came out of the same set. I have two different Christmas sets with Queen & Company. The one I've used quite a bit, and the other one I don't think I've used at all yet. I need to change that. Okay, so we're going to stamp the sentiment. Oh, well, how did I get? Oh my goodness, this is just crazy. Okay, I'm gonna have to cover that up. I probably will anyway because it's so much bigger. I'm probably going to put Nuvo Drops. So we'll do that at the end. But now I have ink all over my finger and it's going to get everywhere, I'm sure. Of course. This is a newer pad. So of course it's going to be juicy. But I'm stamping toward the other end, so I can put on the tree. And then, like I said, I'm going to be putting Nuvo Drops also. So we will definitely be having another video for all the decorating, because that's the most fun, I think, at the very end. Just embellishing to our heart's content. And that's another thing that makes, even if you use sketches that you can do, you can embellish. And they can all look different. Okay. All right. Put this away before I get more ink on my fingers. And we'll put the trees on. Oh, in case I forgot to mention, I'm using shaded spruce for both the inside and the outside sentiment. I just got this pad, and so it's a little juicy, so I certainly can understand why I got ink all over myself. That, and I'm just messy, period. Okay. I'm going to use the back of my pad to glue this, because otherwise I'll get glue all over my black work mat, and I've had to already clean that several times. So the Nuvo Drops are probably not going to be consistent because it depends where my mistake is, my ink splotch. And I'm going to put this on the card before I put the Nuvo Drops on for sure, because they do take time to dry. Okay. Because they are so thick, I can use my foam tape. I'll just use one. Don't want to get too fancy here. That one may not be as concealable. But, as we always say, homemade, not Hallmark, right? Oh, still too long. Oh well. I can always use these little end pieces. Okay. Now let's get out some Nuvo Drops. I should have done this first. Okay, let's not worry about that right now. Let's finish decorating the insides. I started decorating, so let's see what we can get through here with the little snowflakes. The little holographic ones and the silver ones. Okay. Okay, that one's done. And then we got 2 more to put the stickers on. Okay. All right. So here are the cards with the initial decoration of the tree. And I will be picking out the color of Nuvo Drops, and we can put those on next time. It won't take the full 10 minutes, but we will be finishing up for the total card. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.